We are in Knoxville, Tennessee.
Okay, what are we here for?
A good time, not a long time.
And
And a dog. We're gonna get a dog.
we're picking up a puppy.
Yes.
And what's his name?
Doug.
His name's not Doug. What's his real name?
Dog. Cub.
Thank you. Finally.
You're welcome.
I dream it all the time, girl. Waking up warm in your arms and without a care. No money ain't a problem, girl. Just give me the time and the place and I will be there. Oh, 'cause I would go the distance for you, baby. I'd travel around the world if you would let me. I'll meet you where the sun, it always shines. You're on my mind all the time. We are not wasting this, 'cause you and I were good together. Oh, you always get me feeling better. And I know you stay by my side. You make me feel much better, 'cause girl, we're good together. And I tell you all too much, girl.
We got a dog.
What's the verdict on the dog so far?
Yep. Yep.
Do you like him?
Thus far.
Drift